Hi everyone, Becky with Richardson's. Today is Camping Tip Day, so I was calling all my friends asking them what kind of tips they had, and they prepare their meals ahead of time. So we're going to talk about breakfast omelets. So you can do them many ways. If you have an outdoor kitchen, you can boil some water. So you would just take a Ziploc bag, put a couple eggs in there, ham, cheese, whatever you like, and then either throw it in boiling water on a campfire or on your outdoor stove or inside, and then you can fry it. So it's whatever choices and options you have at your campsite. Once you're done with that, open up the bag, throw it on a plate, no mess. Also, while you're cooking the eggs, if you got little ones, you can mix up some pancake batter while you're doing the eggs and bring some food coloring, and they can make their own little colored pancake, and then you're gonna have a fun time. So enjoy your camping trip, and hope you enjoyed this as well.